Halcyon Products Incorporated, the burn pan is used in fire extinguisher training. The unit is specifically designed to be used when complying with OSHA 1910.157 G1, which states, where the employer has provided portable fire extinguishers for employee use in the workplace, the employer shall also provide an educational program to familiarize employees with the general principles of fire extinguisher use and the hazards involved with incipient stage firefighting. Warning: this product is not intended for use by the general public. This product must be operated by at least 2 certified firefighters. Never use this product indoors. Never use this product on, beneath, or near burnable materials. Always fill the unit with fresh water above the copper tubing. Never operate the unit without water above the copper tubing. Never operate the unit without one firefighter's hand on the squeeze valve. Never allow raw fuel to flow through the system without flame front. Always make sure all fittings are tight before use. Never allow water to freeze within the components. Trainers shall always wear structural gear. Read the material safety data sheet of propane before use. Contact Halcyon Products for questions regarding operation at 440-543-1518. After use, make sure all the valves are closed. When loading or unloading the unit from a transport vehicle, 2 people should utilize the pipe handles attached to the pan. One person should not attempt to lift the entire unit. Wheel the unit into position. The burn pan should only be used outdoors. It should be placed on a level surface of dirt, concrete, or asphalt, well away, at least 20 feet, from any materials that could catch fire. After the burn pan is in position, make certain the drain valve is closed. Begin filling with water until the level is at least 2 inches above the copper tubing. Check this level frequently and refill as necessary. Extend the hose to full length and position the propane tank away from the burn pan as shown. Attach the regulator and squeeze valve assembly to a 20-pound propane tank. Read the material safety data sheet provided by your propane supplier. When the water level has reached the proper height above the copper tubing, you are ready to begin. Take 2 sections of the handle you removed and connect them. Make sure one of the sections has the spring steel clip attached. This is where you will place your road flare for igniting the fires. Confirm that your students have been versed in the use of fire extinguishers. Again, this training session will require 2 certified firefighters, one being the instructor who will light the fire, and the other remaining at the squeeze valve at all times. The instructor shall explain the operation of the particular extinguisher. First, the instructor shall light the road flare and approach the burn pan with the wind at his back. Place the flare just above the level of the water. The firefighter at the squeeze valve will open the tank valve, depress the squeeze valve, and regulate the gas flow for a minimum flame height. Should anything go wrong, the person at the squeeze valve shall immediately release it and then shut the tank valve off, thereby extinguishing the fire. The instructor will place the flare off to the side, generally you can get several burns out of one flare, and approach the fire with the student, wind to their backs. The student is ready to extinguish the flame using the fire extinguisher. Once the student has extinguished the flames, or if the extinguisher is running out of agent, the firefighter at the valve shall shut the gas supply off until the instructor is ready to relight the fire. Never allow raw propane to flow without a flame front. Doing so might allow propane to flash back to the pan, causing injuries. When training is completed, open the water valve and allow water to drain from the burn pan. Make certain all propane valves are closed. Remember, the upper exposed metal will still be hot after training, so use caution. Make sure all flares are extinguished and discard properly. After inserting the handle sections, you are ready to pack up the burn pan. Remember to wait until the unit is cool before moving. 2 people are needed to lift the burn pan using the handles provided.